guys, I hope your week is going well. We finally got a little bit of a cold front here in Houston. So my heater is on, and as a result, I'm actually kind of hot, and I've been filming a few videos back to back under the lights, so that's why I'm sporting a tank top. But anyways, today's video is a little bit different, and then I'm going to be talking about some products that I purchased from Ulta. A few weeks ago, actually, Ulta reached out to me and said, hey, we see you shopping in our store all of the time and doing videos in our store. We'd love to sponsor you with a budget to buy some things from Ulta.com and share on your YouTube channel. It's that time of year where people are shopping a lot, so I said, sure. There are some good products in Ulta that I frequently point out. But the products that I purchased, I personally don't necessarily need. So I would love to gift them to you all. So stay tuned throughout this video as to how you might win these. But thank you, Ulta, for sponsoring today's video. And with that, let me get into what I picked up and just kind of chit chat with you guys about the different products. The first one is a product by Perricone MD. This is the Hypoallergenic Nourishing Moisturizer. It's actually a duo. This is two products. You get a moisturizer and an eye cream. The moisturizer is a peptide containing very, very rich cream. This is great for really dry skin or mature skin. Peptides and moisturizers, they act as humectants, meaning they can help hold on to water in the skin and help hydrate the skin. But there's also some preliminary studies showing that perhaps peptides can help in guiding your skin to begin making more of its extracellular matrix components and improving skin firmness, skin texture. I've got several videos talking about peptides. They tend to be costly ingredients, so this is kind of more on the, luxury splurge end of things, in my opinion. It's the holidays. These gift sets can be a good time to try these things out. There's no added fragrance in this moisturizer, so you guys know I love that. In addition to the peptides, this also has shea butter in it, which is a wonderful occlusive moisturizing ingredient. It also has ceramides. Ceramides are the most abundant lipid in the top layer of our epidermis, the stratum corneum, and putting them on your skin in a moisturizer can help your skin in kind of restoring some of its barrier function, particularly when we're dealing with winter weather and dry skin. Not only that, this has squalene in it, a lightweight, non-greasy oil that is frequently put in many cosmetics. And for people with oily skin, it's actually great because it doesn't feel greasy or heavy on the skin. So it tends to go over well for oilier skin types in terms of the feel and texture. And it also has panthenol in it, which is a precursor to vitamin B5, and the skin cells can actually take that up, convert it to active B5, and employ that in restoring skin barrier function. So this is a very good moisturizer. I've used it and tried it out in the past, and I really like it, but normally it's a little too expensive for what I would go for, but I do think it's good, and so I was happy to get this little set. It also comes with a little eye cream. I've always said eye creams are not essential, but you get that in here, and it too is free of added fragrance and has peptides in it, so it can be helpful for kind of adding some extra hydration around the eyes and improving the look of wrinkles and fine lines. If it weren't for this little gift set, I would probably just get the bare moisturizer and try putting that around my eyes instead of going for a separate eye cream. I think that tends to work out just as well, but you get the two here in this duo. All right, the second product that I purchased for you guys to give away is the Skin Iceland Facelift in a Bag. If you recall from my Ulta 21 Days of Beauty review, this was one of the products that I was really kind of excited about, the Skin Iceland eye patches. And so this particular set has patches for around the eyes, around the mouth, as well as for the forehead. And these are great. Yeah, I really enjoy products like this, so long as they are free of added fragrance, which these are. There's no fragrance or essential oils. These have a variety of humectants. They have some emollients, jojoba oil, and they also have ceramides in them. And what I really like about these is that they basically take advantage of wet wrap therapy, more or less, in that they provide a mechanical seal the transepidermal water loss. So by using these, it can really target dry areas and really deliver some focused, intense hydration. This is kind of an approach that we take to people with dry skin conditions. We'll tell them to coat the area in moisturizer and wrap it up in like a gauze or a clean white sock. So you're kind of getting some of that same principle here with these patches to deliver really intense focused hydration into areas of the skin on the face where you may have some wrinkles, fine lines, sagging, and just that delivered intense focused hydration can kind of plump up those areas and just improve the aesthetics of the skin there, without needing some kind of procedure or anything like that. So it literally can give you just kind of a lift, a mild lift, if you will, kind of like it says, which is nice, like right before you go to a party or something. Can really just brighten up the skin quite a bit. So I thought you guys would enjoy these. So I got one of those. Then I also got the Clinique for Men. I was really excited about this. You don't have to be a man to use this, and I actually prefer, of all the Clinique stuff, these are some of my favorite Clinique products because they don't have any added red or blue dyes. Yeah, so there's no added dyes in these, and it's really nice. The moisturizer, like the Perricone MD one, had some peptides in it, which can deliver some intense focused hydration. You don't have to be a man to use this gift set, and it's really one of my favorites. I believe there is like a pore or more oily skin targeted kit. I don't recommend that one. I think it has the dyes in it. Or there was something about it, I can't quite remember, but this one is really good. And it's nice to give to somebody because, if you want to give this as a gift, I think it's a good idea. Buying skincare for people, particularly people you don't know, can be a bad idea. Like, you don't know what kind of skin concern or skin issue they have. And so a lot of times these gift sets, they're more of a gift for you than something you should buy for somebody else. But this one is one that is really nice for somebody. It's nice that it's travel size. And so, they have it for going on a trip to put in their travel bag, but they're small enough that they're trying things out. So if they don't get along with it, then they're not committed to having a big bottle. So one brand from Ulta that is really popular and has many good products is First Aid Beauty. First Aid Beauty is all cruelty-free, and their products, they market for sensitive skin. And not all of them are free of fragrance, so be really careful. So I picked up some of my favorites from First Aid Beauty. The first one is their Ultra Repair Cream. This is a really nice, thick, moisturizing cream. It's great for the body, for dry patches, free of fragrance. And their face cleanser I love. It has licorice root in it, which can be anti-inflammatory, soothing, helpful for redness, and have a brightening effect on the skin. I've always enjoyed using this, and it's a favorite of mine. So I picked that up as well for you guys. And then the last product by First Aid Beauty that I really like, obviously, is their Ultra Repair Pure Mineral Sunscreen Moisturizer. This is SPF 40, and it's great for oily prone skin. It's non-comedogenic. It is free of added fragrance, so it's great if you have sensitive skin. It is a mineral sunscreen, so it does have a white cast to it. But I really like it. It's good for broad spectrum coverage, and I've always enjoyed this one. So I like this little trifecta that I picked up here from Ulta. All right, and the last item is something that's not skincare. It was actually sent to me a while ago as part of PR, and I've been wanting to give it away to one of you guys because I think you would really enjoy it. It is not skincare. It is the Nume Curling Wand, Professional Curling Wand. From what I've heard, these are very good curling wands for those of you who curl your hair. I don't, but I think it would make a good gift too if you know somebody who does. And it comes with heat-resistant gloves. It's like a clipless wand. I'd love to gift this to one of you as well. And you can get these on Ulta. They have a variety of different barrel sizes and whatnot if you heat style or curl your hair. This time of year, maybe you have a lot of events to go to. I don't know, somebody out there can get some use out of this and would enjoy it, so I'd love to give it to one of you. So that brings me to the giveaway. How to enter. Very, very simple. All you have to do is comment below what gift you would like to win. That is it. So to recap, I'm going to give away 5 gifts. The Clinique for Men set, and the Perricone Gentle Firming Duo is number 2. The Skin Ice Facelift in a Bag is number 3. and the Nume curling wand, we'll call number 4. And then number 5, I'm going to bundle together the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, the cleanser, and the sunscreen. This is a trifecta: cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. These are the 3 elements of a basic skincare routine right here. So the giveaway will be open to enter for 1 week, and then I will choose 5 of you randomly and contact you within the comments, and you'll just have to provide me with your mailing address if you are selected randomly. So if you're not comfortable giving me your mailing address, then you might not want to enter. But otherwise, it's open to you guys. You don't have to go to my Instagram or Facebook or any of that other stuff to enter. So thank you, Ulta, for sponsoring this giveaway and these items. I really appreciate it. And I hope you guys are excited about the holiday season coming up. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.